Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most powerful tools for managing information overload, Otter AI. If you ever struggle to keep track of meeting discussions or wished you could instantly search for keyword, action items, or decision, Otter has you covered. I'll walk you through how to set it up, how it records and transcribes your meetings, and how to turn those transcriptions into well organized searchable notes. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use Otter AI to stay organized, productive, and always on top of your meeting. So right now I am at the website of Otter AI. I have given you my affiliate link in the description of this video. You can just simply click on the link that is available in the description of this video, and it will take you to this website. Okay, so this is the overall layout of this website. As you can see that, so first of all, we are going to need to create an account on this Otter AI website. Okay, so for account creation, you have to click on this start for free button. Okay, so for the account creation at Otter AI, we get two kind of packages. The first one is the basic one, and the other one is the business one. Okay, business one gives you a free for 7 days trial. Okay, and there are some features that which are available in free, but there are a lot of feature which are available in business plan, but not available in the basic one. But the required features for this video are available in the basic, so we are going to proceed with the basic feature. So basic plan, so we'll just select get started. Okay, the basic feature has limited kind of feature, like the business plan has limited features, but it's okay. So for account creation, I'm going to continue with the Google account. Okay, because it's the super easiest method, so I will just select my Google account here, and then here I will select continue, and it will automatically fetch all the details from my Google account. So I'm going to give access to my calendar as well. Okay, so I'll select continue, and that's how our account creations will be over here, and our account will be created, and it will take us to the dashboard of our account. So let's write here, uh, so we can get automatic meeting notes. Auto will join schedule Zoom, Google, and Microsoft meetings. Okay, you can see this, or you can also select meetings where I am the host, or you can select meeting I manually select. So we will go for the meeting I manually select, and share notes with the calendar invite guests. So that's why they were asking for the calendar access, so they can invite the guests. The calendar shows all the meetings of any specific day. So with respect to the calendar, it will manage all the details. Okay, so don't share keep meeting notes private, because we are using for ourselves. So if we want to share meeting notes with anyone, so we can do it manually. So I will just let continue, agree and continue here. Okay, so now it's taking us to our workspace, so I'll just continue next. So you can get a pro for free by inviting your friend. For each person who joins Auto, both of you will get 1 month free trial. Okay, so here you can write the email of your friends or your partners as well. So let's see if we can skip this. So yes, we have successfully skipped this step, and we are going to use this for let's say we are using the for sales purposes. Okay, so meetings will be on the basis of sales. So what's your role? Individual contributor. Okay, so right now I'm skipping these details. Okay, I'll select next. So finally it has taken us to that our dashboard, but before that they are asking to sync your call from your inside calendar to get sale. So let's record all my calls next, and then here you can sync your sales notes like your CRM, HubSpot, or Salesforce. So we will set up it that later. Select next. So finally it has taken us to the main dashboard of our account. So for recording of the any of the meeting, you will just select this button, and here you will paste your meeting URL, and it will start recording the your meeting, and it will make actionable notes, searchable notes throughout the meeting, and at the end of the meeting you will get access to all of the notes, and then you can use it as you want. So that was all about Otter AI. So the website link I have also provided in the description. You can just come to this website through that link. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.